friends, you're watching Flavors and it's me Sakshi, your host in Loves. In today's episode, we are making masala vegetable pasta salad or just pasta because it has more vegetables. I call it a pasta salad. It's a really easy and a very tasty recipe. Right now I'm putting a lot of vegetables, but you can avoid adding many of them and you can just balance it with the pasta and vegetables. It's a quick and amazing recipe. So let's get started. So to begin with, take a pan and add in oil. I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll let this heat up. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and saute it for 1 minute. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and half teaspoon of grated garlic and also saute it along with the onion. Now if you're a Jain, then you can avoid adding onion and garlic. Alright, so to proceed further, we'll be adding in capsicum. This is 2 tablespoons of chopped green capsicum. Saute it along. Then add in 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot. Then 2 tablespoons of corn and half cup of zucchini. This is green chopped. Then add in salt so that the vegetables start sweating and cook faster. Mix it all well along. It looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna add in the tomato. This is 1 small tomato or 3 tablespoons of chopped tomato. Mix it all well together. Now we're gonna add in the pasta. So here I have 1½ cup of boiled pasta. Now mix it well with the vegetables. Let's proceed with this seasoning. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then white pepper. That's gonna be half teaspoon of white pepper. Then some black pepper, half teaspoon. And I'm also gonna add in some dry basil, but this is optional, half teaspoon. Now mix it well together. Now add in half teaspoon of sugar just to balance all the tastes. Then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. You can also prepare it fresh at home. This will give it a really nice color and taste. Then I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. This will make it taste really creamy. Then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. You can also add in parsley. And also add in half teaspoon of oregano. And finally I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of paneer cubes, that is cottage cheese. Mix it very well. So now a delicious pasta is ready. Let's serve it. Let's off the flame. So there you go, a delicious pasta salad is ready. Do try it out and tell us how it turned out. Till then, it's me Sakshi signing off. Bye.